my name is McCain Carlos. I used to study in Paco Catholic School, and now I am at I Academy KG. When I was in junior high school, I was actually considering to enroll in LaSalle because some of my classmates wanted to go there too. And also, I wanted to enroll in UST because my mother graduated there. But I realized that my choice should not depend on others. So I chose ICAT. When I was given the tour, what struck me the most is the environment and how people are so welcoming, and I felt like I belong. Since I'm an overachiever kind of person, my academic grades were very great, and I was considering to enroll in UMS or STEM, but I didn't want to let go of my passion for the arts. The transition was quite hard since I was from a very conservative school, and now I am in a school where everyone's free. But I think that the freedom that was given to us is very beneficial for every student for us to express ourselves. And I also want to share probably the best work that I've done here in iAcademy. That project enabled us to get out of the school and go beyond our capabilities. My PBL group was able to go to Caliga, Buscalan, and we were able to meet the oldest mambabatok in the Philippines, which is Apo Wangkon. And I actually got my first tattoo just because of that PBL project. I think a game changer is not the one who thinks outside of the box, but the game changer thinks without a box. My advice to all the junior high schoolers out there, just be yourself, dare to be different, and go beyond of what others expect you to do. I'm a game changer, and I choose iAcademy.